Welcome back everyone. In the caddy. I'm at this nice place, look, nice big bungalow. I thought I'd show you something that I do when I'm not doing the bees or whatever else I'm doing. I'm a bit of a gardener, do a bit of gardening, so, self-employed gardening, like weeding, trimming, mowing, edge cutting, shrubs, everything. This is a big garden I do. Right, done all these a while back. Just done the rows over the arch. Made a mess, butchered it, weaved some more in to thicken it up. Look at this, it's massive. Yeah, just weaved it in, tidied all that up. Just tidy all this up. It's a nice big slabbed area, look. Yeah, so it looks better, doesn't it? It does look like nice in the summer. Took some dead out of this. Got all my kit, look. Got me steps. Got my iron blue, because you've got to have iron blue to keep it going. Eat the girders, mate. My little choppers. Me shit secateurs, like that Brian gave me. Like shit. Shape me bush. Well, not my bush. Cutting back, see, winter now, all the leaves are dropped, so you cut back hard. Broke my rake. Let's just come in and butcher. I've just done the slab near the gate because you couldn't open the gate. I'm not doing this laurel today. It's a monster, this is. That's a monster laurel. We've got an apple tree here to do. We might do that today. We're not doing that one today. We've done this. Look, we come in like, you know, butcher. Rah! With that. Just shaping everything. Cutting back some harder than the others. With bobbing them basically, haircut time. Shape that. Shape that. We got to here at the minute. I've come in like, because all the flower beds were weed before when I first come. So I've done all that, and it's like it's a process each time you come. You do a bit more, but we've done all the weeding and stuff. Now the leaves are dropped. We'll have everything out again. Although you should really leave the leaves on the floor, shouldn't you, for the insects, and it turns soil anyway. But no, they want them cleaned out their gardens, and they pay. So it's up to them. It's got an area here, look, under a big thing. All that vine there grows all the way up to there. It does, and it dangles down in the summer, so you can't really see in there, and it just has a nice archway. Last time I come, I butchered it. I've got to butcher these. Another apple tree here. What sort is it? Eating apples, look. You can tell. Eating apples. Because of these. If it was crab apples, there'd be two like little crab pincers. That's how you tell. Eating apples from crab apples. We've done this before, so that don't need doing. The weeding, it wants a bit of weeding, but we won't get the weeding done today. That'll come next time. Take all the whippets off that. And then they wanted the grass mowing, but it's a bit wet. It's a nice garden, isn't it? Get plenty of beehives in here. Look at them all, you can have them all lined around here. Beehives. You get like probably a good 100 in here. Easy. Yeah, that's what I do anyway, when I'm not doing all the other crap that I do. I do this crap. Thank God it ain't raining. Right, so we're going to finish up with Jason Ma-Mower, the free skipper. Make sure the petrol's on. Not used it for a while. Choke. We're in first gear. Oh, come on, Jason. Just like that. Let it on choke for a couple of minutes. Well, not minutes, but. So we've got this grass, that grass, and all out the back. I'll show you when I'm done. I'll show you the difference. Right, so we're all done. All we've done out here is just cut the grass on this bit. We cut the grass on here when we edged it. A little bit of weeding. We didn't need to butcher none of the shrubs. Had a good blow down with the blower. So look, we come through just like we did this morning. Done the rose arch. We'll cut the grass. Jason Ma-Mower lives up to it. He weren't picking up very good. Poor old boy's got a hole in the deck. So we mulched it up, but it looks better than it does on camera to the eye. It looks better in the eye than it does on camera. So we had a good clean up. We bobbed the bushes. We didn't get to the apple tree. Took a bit long. Good old leaf rake up and clean up. Just got to get rid of that. We didn't do the big laurel. Yeah, we shaped the bushes. We shaped the shrubs. The butcher's been in. Good old tidy up on the beds again. We didn't do the apple. We'll do the 3 apple trees next time, you see, and the laurel probably. Good old tidy up now. And round there we need to do them too, but we don't know how much we need to take off. We've got the apple tree here, so yeah. The butcher's come in and butchered your garden. So it looks different.